Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. On the Solana chart, the recent low was broken. Doesn't mean we have to adjust anything though. I've just swapped some labels around because this B-wave low in the yellow count moved from here to here. We have no confirmed low at this stage, and therefore we just need to be mindful that we might need to switch from the yellow count into the white count. As I mentioned in the last video, they are both bullish scenarios, so it might just mean that we will retest the lower support region. But let's first see if the price can hold the upper support region at $169.60. A break below it, if it's sustained, will likely send the price down into the lower support region that starts at $157. First of all, both of these scenarios are currently still bullish. I would only change my assumption about the chart below $131. So we still have to give it space, but ideally the price doesn't even break below the 50% retracement. That's at $143.70. So we basically have two pathways that the price could take here. The yellow microstructure suggests that a wave 4 already bottomed here on the 20th of March, and that the wave 5 is unfolding right now. The wave 5 should be an ABC structure, and the A wave likely topped on the 31st of March. We could now be in a B wave pullback, and a C wave rally could still happen afterwards. And the ideal target is still sort of $225 plus. That's the next projection to the upside. Solana is clearly struggling in the current price region, so I think we're fairly close to a long-term top, or let's say more substantial top. Not the end of the bull market, obviously not, but still we are in a region where at some point a deeper pullback is due. I would not expect that deeper pullback yet. I would still like to see the price get to 225 plus before entering a larger correction. But what is happening here is sort of just what we have to allow the price to do. And in the yellow count, it should hold $169.60. That's the 78.6 retrace of the rally to the upside. And yeah, it's already looking a little bit more like the white count now. But I don't want to rule out yellow because these coins can turn around at an instant, okay? So either way, regardless of whether we're looking at yellow or white, with the break of yesterday's low, oh no, it's not yesterday's low, it's the break of the Tuesday low, the chart leaves us with no reliable low in place. So there's no low confirmed, and therefore we have to look for lower prices until a first reaction shows, and the next reaction could occur around $169.60. It's not only the 78.6 fib level, it's also the previous swing low here and here, which is a bit lower, but sort of in that region there should be some support. Below $169.60, I can't really justify the yellow count anymore, even though it's technically valid, because B waves technically can overshoot to the downside, okay? So just be aware, it's not a 1-2 setup. We're dealing with a B wave here. These are fairly unreliable, but it still would push probabilities more towards the white count. And the only change I've made in the white count is I've switched it from an ABC structure into a more complex WXY. So we haven't seen many WXY structures in this bull market, but they started to come up everywhere now. So in this scenario, the price should go down a little lower, probably towards 157. Why that level? First of all, the 38.2 fib level is an ideal target for a fourth wave. So there could be a bounce there or even a lasting reaction. And also it is the 100% extension level of the wave W, so a key target for the Y wave. And then if we look at the internals of the Y wave, take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, the 1.236 extension level points towards 158. So there's some good confluence around that level, and let's see if that level holds. So that would be possibly the next stop, especially if we break below $169.60, but all of that within an overall still bullish scenario. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.